Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to education, personal life experiences and book summary. Today I am going for shopping. So what I decided means, let's make a vlog. It would be just around 5 minutes or 6 minutes, that's it. So let's get into the video. Look at me. I literally got tanned just by reaching the mall. It's so sunny outside today. Anyway, I finally made it to the mall, and like I told you earlier, I came here for a little shopping. Nothing too serious, just casual shopping vibes. But I really want to buy a good pair of jeans today. Let's see if I find something nice. Wish me a luck. I literally went to so many stores like Zara, Reliance Centro, Trends, and checked almost everything. But I didn't like anything. I'm not liking any kind of dresses here. Oh God. At one point I seriously fed up, like shopping mood is totally gone. But then I finally went to West Side and this place saved me. So finally, I picked 3 tops and 1 pair of jeans. I just wanted to try them on and see if they actually fit me well or not. Because you know how it is. And then started the real struggle. I was literally searching everywhere for fitting room. Like, where is it? Let me try these first and then decide. So after trying all these dresses, I decided to take jeans and this one jeans and this dress. I didn't like these two. So I finally bought the jeans and the top. After finishing all the shopping, I went straight to the food court because I was literally starving. You know what? I didn't even have my afternoon lunch. So, and then I saw California burrito. I immediately ordered a potato bowl. And oh my god, it was so delicious. Totally worth it. So after that, I just left the mall and came straight back home, seeing my exhausted face. That's it guys, I said 5 minutes but it came to around 3 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. This is a little vlog from my side.